Hello, fellow C++ developers. Welcome back to Kali. I'm so happy to be back. It has almost been 12, 13 months since I posted that reel where I posted a game of rocket shooting the enemies, something like that. And I promised you guys of making a tutorial, but then I was gone for 11 to 12 months. But I recently decided to make the tutorial from scratch just because you guys showed in lot of love. I don't know how to explain this, but it is the only reason that pushed me to start this tutorial. I'm a third year software engineering student and in a different country from where I live, so I have a lot of things going on. I need to work life balance, and my study and everything. But I see a lot of people watch my video, almost 5,000, even though I have not posted a lot of videos. And there were so many people asking me to make a tutorial in the comments, and it really made me emotional. And then I had to rethink about how would I manage my time to start making this tutorial. So I'm very thankful for your support, for liking my content, and like showing interest in the game, and then showing interest in learning. And I'm very happy to help you understand how this game works, or how the Qt framework works, and how C++ works, and everything.
Now I'm going to go and help you through setting up Qt. And before everything else, let's install the Qt and Qt Creator. I'm going to install it for macOS, but there are a few things that you need to set up before actually installing Qt. For Windows, if you install Qt View Qt Online Installer, you can select the mingw package, which includes a GCC compiler. This means you don't need to install a separate compiler. And for macOS, you need to have a Xcode installed. If you already have an installation, try to update it. And to install Xcode, you can just write Xcode hyphen select and hyphen hyphen install, and that will install your Xcode command line tools, which will include Clang automatically. Clang is compiler for macOS, and then you can go through the installation, which is almost the same for Windows and Mac. And for the Linux, you need to check if your systems has GCC or G++ compiler. If you don't have it, I have a command on the screen. You can use those according to your Linux distribution, and you should be good to go. And this installation is same for rest of the videos. Now open your browser and search for qt.io, and on the top right corner you can see download.try. Click on that button, and there you can see two versions, community user version and student teacher version. If you're a student, then you can apply for educational license by filling up this form. And on the community version, if you scroll down, you can see a download the Qt online installer. If you click on that button, it will land you to a page where you can see your operating systems. Choose your operating system and then click on Qt online installer, and then you'll receive your um, package application installer. And you can navigate to your downloaded folder and then open the installer. If you open the installer, there you have to use your community email version, because you need to sign up for Qt and then you need to use that email. I'll show you here, like I used my email and password, which was from my Qt account. If you haven't made, there is a sign up option. Forward, I like the custom installation. I had a Qt installed, so I couldn't name it. So I need to change the name just for the example in this video. And then I'll navigate, and then there, this is the main page where you need to see what you need. So I would need the Qt. I'll select Qt, and I'll select the best version or the latest version. I will not select the beta one because that still has some developments going on. And then I need to download the Qt creator for me as an ID. There are other versions, other components as well that you can download. But inside Qt, I have like installed everything for iOS, Android, other sources, WebAssembly, But if you only need desktop, you can go with it, or else it will be very heavy if you want to download everything, almost 30 GBs. That's why you can choose whatever you need. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next part.